I'm Matilda and I'm 12 and I got the vaccine. When I went into the building, I was very scared and nervous because needles. The nurse, she asked me some personal information to make sure that I was Matilda. When she rolled up my sleeve to put the needle in, I was very scared because I thought it was gonna hurt, but it hurt less than I thought and it was quicker. After I had to wait in the waiting room for 15 minutes, my arm didn't hurt or anything, so I thought that it wasn't as bad as I thought. I didn't have any symptoms though, so that was good. But the day after, my arm started hurting and it felt numb. You should get the COVID vaccine so that you can protect everyone around you and hopefully the COVID restrictions can ease and things can go back to normal. Lockdown, it was very bad but also very good. I had to do lots of assessments at home, so I kind of had trouble asking for help, but I also had my friends to help me with work. It was good because I didn't have to see people face to face, but it was also bad because I missed my friends. I've been vaccinated.
Rest in peace to all of our loved ones who have passed away during this difficult time. We will always remember you and honor your life. It's the year of COVID-19 pandemic. Don't let it spread it to your family casually, you regret it. Casualties, remember those who didn't survive. Worldwide virus reflected in children's eyes. Medical workers provide